Momentos desgarradores de los videojuegos parte 1. En Hitman 3, durante la misión El fin de una era, si eliges mal le destrozarás la vida a un NPC. Se trata de Jeremy, un simple currela que solo quiere mantener su empleo. Entre varias opciones puedes despedirlo y si lo haces ocurrirá esto.
Mom, I think I've just been fired. But who though? Friend? Oh, you mean Vincent? Yeah, I'll go see him then. Okay, I'll call you later. I have to tell you something. I like it here. My friends are here. You're here. We'll stay in touch, though. You and me.
It's kind of awkward with these hours.
Yeah, but you're my buddy. Let me have your number.
I can never remember my own number. I tell you what, give me yours, and I'll be in touch when I get a free spot in the calendar, huh?
Okay, great. I don't want to lose my best buddy, too.